Sånt ska ut i Lentävän huippu.
Today it's the 30th of September 2021, the last day of September this year. We have Pikkusaarenkuja. 5 stickers A here in Lentävänniemi, one of the suburbs of Tampere, Tammerfors, Pirkanmaa, Virtaland, Finland, where they also extended the Tampere light rail by 2024. And this is an MP8 of Kone with MP8 fixtures, so it's the original today, only the panel was changed. And it was built in 1976, but this panel was changed in 2007, or maybe accurate, let's see. The serial number is H32442, turning 45 years old this year, in 2021. So the operator will be 50 years old in the next year, 2022. But it's the original.
Yeah.
Only the panel was changed, or refurbished. They refurbished the interior.
Ah, yeah.
In 2007. It will be inspected this year, 2021. Those numbers are original, I love them.
Yeah.
We've seen them, the similar ones, in on Jäniksenlahden katu, or Jänislahden katu,
Yeah.
9. They have the same numbers.
Yeah.
It was also built in 1976. And there are 9 floors here.
Yeah.
With memory.
Yeah.
Maybe from memory.
Yeah. The half inch staircase be in 2018.
Yes. And I will film it now.
Yeah.
But not from memory.
Yeah.
No, yes.
It
has it. But it's not always needed.
Yeah.
But at least it's good to have it like that. Because if someone is going several floors, then
Yeah.
they can be chosen. But not while we are filming, of course.
Yeah.
If somebody is calling the elevator in between the floors, then there's only negativity about the memory.
Yeah.
In that case, it's necessary.
Yeah.
Due to this memory, it's possibly late 1976.
Yeah. I thought that someone called it.
Oh. But you pressed it.
Yeah.
So you should have remembered it. But no difference. So, that's it. Thank you very much. I'm not going to film this thing.
That's